What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Roy, and I'm back with another video. Today I have an old school for you old fools. You know I love the Obs Chevy, GMC, and you know my dad got one, my brother had one, cousins, and my uncle has his over here now. I actually just cleaned it up for him, so I'm just gonna let you guys check it out right quick before he pick it up. Yeah, I don't want to hold y'all too long, man. I just wanted y'all to check this thing out, man. I know majority everybody loves these trucks, but you know, the reason why I say old school for the old fools is look at that setup on it. Got that nice old school drag setup. You know, he got it built as his toy, but you know, it's not a drag truck. He's not trying to be on street outlaw or nothing. But the truck does have decent power. It is nice and clean. Like I said, no, it's not a drag truck. It's just a nice street truck. This is his hot rod. Just like to get in it, turn a couple corners, play in it every now and then, get a couple street races, track every now and then. But yeah, this is pretty much his baby, man. Get in there, sign a couple streets, go back to the house and park it. He took the key with him, so I can't give y'all a little sound clip just yet. But when he get back, hopefully I get to give you one. You know, mine is never going in this direction, I don't guess, because I do like big wheels and all that mess. But that paint is looking good. I mean, it's chipped up here and there, but for him, it's looking pretty good. For what he do with it, it's looking good. He don't do car shows or nothing. So maybe he'll pull up here in a minute and I'll let y'all check that engine out.
1 hour later.
Let y'all check out this 4-cylinder right quick. Oh, you're on that hill. You're on that hill and ain't got that much gas in there. Give it some gas. Old school for you old fools. Up, you can't tell him nothing now. Whole thing sound like a bear. I think he only put a couple of gallons in it before he left home, so he better be trying to head that way now. Just want to let y'all check that old Chevy out, man. Thing sound good, run strong. I mean, when it got gas in it, actually on probably less than a gallon right now. He's about to run out of gas, but yeah, just letting you guys check that out, man. We'll see y'all in the next one.